today everyone. Here's with me Miss Yuli with YV channels. Today we are going to learn about the vocabularies in the classroom. Please repeat after me, okay? Things in the classroom. Blackboard, blackboard, blackboard. Whiteboard, whiteboard, whiteboard. Eraser, eraser, eraser. Skip a few minutes. As usually, before we continue our lesson, please support our channel. Tekan tombol like, subscribe, dan jangan lupa bunyikan loncengnya agar kalian tidak ketinggalan dengan video-video terbaru dari Miss Yuli. Thing in the classroom. Marker, marker, marker. Table, table, table. Chair, chair, chair. Clock, clock, clock. Map, map, map. Book, book, books. Bookshelf, bookshelf, bookshelf. Dictionary, dictionary, dictionary. Broom, broom, broom. Basket, basket, basket. Fan, fan, fan. Ruler, ruler, ruler. Ta-da! Now time for let's make sentences about things in the classroom. Please listen and repeat after me. We write on the whiteboard. We write on the whiteboard. The chair is for sitting. The chair is for sitting. Broom is for sweeping the floor. Broom is for sweeping the floor. The clock is for indicating time. The clock is for indicating time. The ruler is for making a line. The ruler is for making a line. Dictionary is for finding the meaning of word. Dictionary is for finding the meaning of word.
You gotta be kidding me.
The map helps us to know distance of area. The map helps us to know distance of area. learned today. I hope it's useful for you.
Hello nice people, kembali lagi bersama saya, Febri Hands. Hello nice people, kembali lagi bersama saya, Febri Hands.